Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike, and today we are not going to do any recipe like we always do, but I would like to tell you something what I think is really important to keep in mind. Many of you are asking me in the comments on my Instagram page or on my Facebook about the recipes. Oh hi Mike, can you give me a recipe for this? Can you give me a recipe for that? Can you write it down the recipe for everything? And my common answer is no. And it's not because I think the recipes is any secret or I don't want to give to you. And it's just because this is not my style, how I would like to teach people to cook. And this is the whole point of my YouTube channel, and especially my cooking coaching. I want to teach you to become great chefs so you can create your own dish without the recipes. Because when I give you the recipe, you're gonna do exactly what's on the paper and you're never gonna think about the dish, and probably you're never gonna taste your food enough. With my style, I'm gonna force you to think about dish in detail. How you cooking like this? Why you cooking like this? And I force you to tasting so often the dish, so you don't need any recipe. And that's exactly what I do in my personal coaching, where I teach people all the techniques from cooking the meat, fish, veggies, how to do pires, crisps, foam, and much more. But the point is, after our session, they have to do themselves. This is how they learn. Because no one from the best chefs are become great from watching the videos or reading the books. The great chefs become great by actually cooking, making mistakes, and be mentored by another great chef. And after they learn all these basic techniques, they can start creating own dishes and open the restaurants around these ideas. And you have to understand these guys. The cooking is not rocket science. You can learn it, but you have to actually cook it yourself, make mistakes, and find some mentor who's gonna correct these mistakes. So if you wanna learn how to cook properly, stay watching my videos, but then actually do these recipes yourself. And if you're not gonna be sure with something, just leave the comments and I'm gonna help you. And if you wanna take cooking really seriously and learn personally from me, check out the link in the description down below and you can book your free discovery call with me and we're gonna see how can I help you with your cooking goals. But if you're just looking for someone who's gonna give you a bunch of recipes so you can feel like a profi chef but never really understand what cooking means, this is not probably a good place for you. That being said, thank you for watching guys, and I see you soon.